Hello there, everyone. Good day. How are you doing today? I hope that you are all feeling well today. For today's video, you are going to learn another set of math concepts in English. Everyone, this is Math with Teacher Riva. You are listening to Math with Teacher Riva. And for today, you are going to learn new topics as we go along. Okay? Very well. Today's video, we are going to have a recap on what we learned last time. We are going to re-study the things we have studied during our last meeting or last video. Last meeting, we did study about, guess what? Okay, it's time for a review. It's review time. Let's first look at, again, the different vocabulary words so that you will be refreshed. First, we have long. Long. 2. We have tall. Tall. And lastly, we have short. Short. Long, tall, short. These three words are important words when we talk about measuring the length and the height of objects or people. Alright. There are different measuring tools that we can use when we measure objects, whether small or big. First, we have this one. What do you call this one again? Okay, very good. It's a ruler. It is a ruler. And a ruler can be used to measure a book, a chair, a pencil, or even a gift box. All objects that are small in size can be measured with the use of a ruler. Okay? We also have this one. What is this called again? Very good. It's a measuring tape. Good job. And a measuring tape can be used to measure a table. Yes, it can. A window. Most especially the body or the hips of a person. What is this? This is a measuring tape. Very good. And we have the last one. Okay. This is just the same as the measuring tape, but the other one was a body measuring tape. This one, we say this is also a measuring tape, but it measures particularly sizes of big areas like the classroom, or even sizes of or when you build a house. Measuring tape. So those are the three common measuring tools that we can use to measure objects, whether big or small. We also had learned how to compare the lengths and the heights of objects. Let's say, for instance, these two objects here. We have a table and we have a cabinet or a wardrobe. Can you compare the two objects? Which one is shorter or which one is taller? Okay, very good. We can say that the table is shorter than the cabinet. The table is shorter than the cabinet. That gives us the idea that the cabinet is taller than the table. Okay? Good job. How about comparing these two pencils? How do you compare these two pencils? Which pencil is shorter? Which pencil is longer? Alright, there is no shorter pencil nor a longer pencil, but the pencils have equal length. The pencils have equal length, or they have the same length. Take note that when you measure, it has to be that the edges of the object that you measure starts at the same point. How about these two boxes? What can you say about the height of the two boxes? Okay, very good. The gift boxes have equal height. Good job. No one is shorter. No one is also taller. They are of equal height. Measuring using centimeter and meter. What are these? These are units, standard units of measurements. Let's try to see. When we measure length in centimeters, we mean centimeter. We use it when we measure small and short objects like pencil, like books, like notebooks. All those small and short objects can be measured with the use of centimeters. Usually, when you measure objects using centimeter, you are going to use what is this? Okay, you are going to use a ruler, okay? 0 to 1 is equal to 1 centimeters. And it goes a long way until it ends with 12. It's the 12 centimeter. Basically, one ruler has 12 centimeters. And for abbreviations, we use cm as a shortcut for centimeters. Example number 1. Let's measure this water bottle. Okay? Let's measure this water bottle. Of course, we will have a ruler as the measuring tool. We put a line above to make sure where the bottle started to measure, and another line below on where it ends. Just simple. Just count from 0 up to the number where it ends, and that will be your measurement. So let's start counting from 0. Ready? Start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We stopped with the 9th number. That means this water bottle is 9 centimeters or 9 cm tall. Again, this bottle is 9 centimeters or 9 cm tall. Okay, how about example number 2? We are going to measure a book, the length of a book. We need a ruler and we have to draw a line from where the measurement will start and look where it stopped. Approximately it stopped here, right? So let's end here and count beginning here. Ready? Go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The measurement is, this book is 6 centimeters or 6 cm long. This book is 6 centimeters or 6 cm long. You have to start at the starting point and end where it must end. Okay, let's have example number 3. Let's measure this pencil. We have the ruler. 0 must start at this point, okay? Not here, but here. Alright? Then, let's count until the tip of the pencil. Ready? Okay, let's go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It stopped until the 7th. So what is the measurement of the pencil using centimeters? Alright, it must be that this pencil is 7 centimeters or 7 cm long. Okay? Now, let's move on to measuring length in meters. We are done with centimeters used for measuring small or short objects. This time, we are going to use meters, which is for long objects or distances. Let's say, for example, this flagpole, this classroom, and the height of this boy. Let's try to see. We have here what is this? This is a flagpole. Okay. We are going to measure the height of this flagpole from top to bottom. And we estimated it as 15 meters tall. The flagpole is 15 meters tall. And then we also have the school. We estimate the height of the school as 3 meters long. So again, we have flagpole with 15 meters and school with 3 meters. This time, we are going to also measure the distance of the flagpole going to the school building. and that gives us an approximate of 300 meters. So, which means from the flagpole going to the school building, it is 300 meters. Based on these figures, we can have statements. First, the flagpole is 15 meters long. Oh, tall. Again, the flagpole is 15 meters tall. Second, the school over here, the height is 3 meters tall. The school is 3 meters tall. Alright, and lastly, the distance from the flagpole to the school is how many meters? Look at the figures. How many meters is the distance from the school to the flagpole, or for the flagpole to the school? It is 300 meters. That's why we have the distance from the flagpole to the school is 300 meters far. There. These are the 3 assumptions based on the figures measured in meters. Now, this time we are going to have an question and answer time. You are going to tell me what to use if you measure the following pictures that I will show to you. Example, I will show you a book, and teacher will ask you, what unit will you use? Centimeter or meter? Your answer would be centimeter. Why? Because a book is small and short. Okay? Let's try. If you measure the height of this boy from up to down, measure the height of this boy up going down, what unit of measurement are you going to use? Is it centimeter or meter? Okay, very good. You use the unit of meter. Why? Because this height of the boy is not short nor small. We will use meter. Good job. How about if we measure the school building distance to the classroom? What unit of measurement are we going to use? Is it centimeter or meter? Okay, because we talk about the distance, we're going to use meter still. Very good. When you measure distance, it's just right to use meter as the unit of measurement. Very good. 2 thumbs up for you. Next, how about if you measure this ribbon? Is this ribbon short or long? It's short. So, what unit of measurement are you going to use? Centimeter or meter? Of course, you're going to use centimeter. Very good. It's centimeter because the ribbon is short, not long. It is small. That is why you use centimeter. Good job. If you measure this book, we've made it as an example a while ago, okay? If you measure a book, what unit will you use? Is it centimeter or meter? Okay, very good. Because it is small again, you use centimeter. Good job, very good. Everyone, you are doing well. If you measure a short object, it is centimeter. But if you measure big objects or perhaps distances, you use meter. Great job, everybody! You have learned in this video how to measure the length and the height of objects using standard units. What are those standard units? It is centimeter and meter. When are you going to use centimeter? Use it when you measure short and small objects. But if you measure big objects as well as distances, you are going to use meter. So, that would be all for this video. Thank you all for listening and for watching. I hope you have learned something from today's video. This is again Math with Teacher Riva. See you again next time. Goodbye everyone and keep safe always. Goodbye.